Hey everybody, Adrian here with Electric Horsepower. I just wanted to share a little bit of our technology that we've been working on here at Electric Horsepower. Our system is the oil-based mud cleaning process. We take dirty oil-based mud. So this one's about 16 pounds a gallon with all the shale and everything in it, and we put it through our system. We won't talk about what that is today, but we're going to talk about what it can do for you as a client that's using oil-based mud. So we take the dirty oil-based mud that comes off the shakers, put it through our system, and we start separating that out. And with our system, we've been able to get back the base oil that comes out of the system, and we separate the oil or the water out of it as well. And at the end of it, we get nice, dry, clean cuttings that you could possibly landfill right on location. Our system will do about 120 cubes a day. That's a fair bit of cuttings if you're, got a fast hole and you're drilling. 5 cubes an hour, that's quite a bit of cuttings that is typically not drilling that quick with oil-based mud, but you can do that. There's no emissions with our system, so we don't have to worry about the environment putting emissions into the air and anything like that. So we believe that our system today that we've come up with is really going to be a game changer for what's on the market out there today, and really help our clients clean up the oil-based mud systems that they're using, give some oil back, and really cut the cost down on transportation of cuttings going to landfills and things of that nature. So if you got any questions, just give us a call. You can look us up on the web or shoot me a message on LinkedIn. Thank you. Have a good day.